Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to print half pyramid shape using alphabets. And this is the Python program to print half pyramid using alphabets. So initially we entered number of rows. For example, here I entered the number of rows is 5, number of rows 5. So number of rows 5 mean, so in the for loop, first for loop indicates number of rows and the second for loop indicates number of columns. So for I in range of 0 comma 5. So range of 0 comma 5 mean the range of I values are I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 0 to 4. So I is equal to I is equal to 0, that means that indicates first row. I is equal to 1, that means second row. I is equal to 2, that means third row. I is equal to 3, that means fourth row. I is equal to 4, which indicates fifth row. The number of rows are 5. And now here the range of the I values are 0 to 4, and second for loop represents number of columns for j in range of 0 comma I plus 1. So initially I is equal to 0 and the range of the j is 0 to 1. I is equal to 0, 0 comma 1. So the range of the j is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0. So alphabet is equal to character of ASCII value. So now here ASCII value is 65. So the ASCII value for alphabet start from 65, that is A. And next ASCII value for alphabets from next ASCII value for alphabets is 64, 66. 66 mean and its alphabet character is B. The ASCII value for alphabet start from 65. 65 mean that is that character is A. In each iteration, we increase the value of the ASCII value. Now here the ASCII underscore value is equal ASCII underscore value plus 1. So plus equal to is the assignment operator. In each iteration, 1 is incremented. Initially here we have to consider ASCII value 65. So 65 is that is character A, and next iteration 65 plus 1, next ASCII value is 66. And the ASCII value 66 means it print character B. And again increment, next iteration it increment one value, 66 plus 1, 67, like that. Okay. So now here j is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0 mean alphabet of character of ASCII value. Now here what is ASCII value? 65. So character of 65 mean alphabet A is printed. Alphabet A is printed. In the first row, alphabet A is printed. So ASCII plus equal to 1, it increment the 1 value, 65 plus 1 is equal to 66. And next ASCII value is 66. Next ASCII value is 66. And ASCII value is incremented. Next I value is 1. I is equal to 1. So I is equal to 1 and range of the j is 0 to 2. So range of the j is equal to 0 to 2. J is equal to 0. J is equal to 1. So range of 0 comma 2 mean j values are 0 and 1. So alphabet is equal character of 66. Character of char of ASCII value. Now what is the now what is the ASCII value? 66. So character of 66 mean alphabet is B is printed 2 times. In the second row, alphabet B is printed 2 times. In the second row, first column B is printed. Second row, second column B is printed. And again increment the, in next iteration, it increment the ASCII value. ASCII value plus equal to 1. 66 plus 1 is equal to 67. Next ASCII value is 67. And next value of I is 2. I is equal to mean it indicates third row. So I is equal to 2. The range of the J is 0 to 3. So range of 0 to 3 means J values are 0, 1, 2. So alphabet is equal char of ASCII value. Now the ASCII value is 67. Char of 67 means alphabet C is printed 3 times in third row. In third row, alphabet C is printed 3 times. So third row, first column, alphabet C is printed. Third row, second column, alphabet C is printed. Third row, third column, alphabet C is printed. Third row, alphabet C is printed 3 times. And again increment the ASCII value. Next ASCII value is 67 plus 1 is equal to 68. And next value of I is 3. So I is equal to 3 indicates fourth row. So in fourth row, I is equal to 4. The range of the J is 0 to 4. So range of 0 to 4 means J values are 0 to 3. J is equal to 0. J is equal to 1. J is equal to 2. J is equal to 3. So alphabet is equal char of ASCII value. Now current ASCII value is 65. Char of 68 means the alphabet D is printed in fourth row 4 times. Now whether J is equal to 0 to 4. So the fourth row first column, alphabet D is printed. Fourth row second column, alphabet D is printed. Fourth row third column, alphabet D is printed. Fourth row fourth column, alphabet D is printed. Again increment the ASCII value. Now here the number of rows are 5. Again increment the ASCII value. Next ASCII value is 68 plus 1, 69. And next I value is I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4 means fifth row. So I is equal to 4. The range of the J is 0 to 5. So range of 0 to 5 means J is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The range of the J is 0 to 4. So alphabet is equal char of ASCII value. Now current ASCII value is 69. So char of 69 means alphabet E is printed in fifth row 4 times. Why? J is equal to 0 to 4, 0 to 5. So the alphabet E is printed 5 times. Sorry, not 4 times, 5 times. So fifth row first column, alphabet E is printed. Fifth row second column, alphabet E is printed. Fifth row third column, alphabet E is printed. Fifth row fourth column, alphabet E is printed. Fifth row fifth column, alphabet E is printed. Okay, now the number of rows are 5. Close the for loop. So this is the output of the half pyramid using alphabets. Now the entering the number of rows are 5. So now coming to the Python console. In the Python console, type the Python program. Now save the program and run the program. So click on the run module. In the Python console, it will ask enter a number of rows. So now here I will enter the number of rows 5. Okay. So half pyramid using numbers. In first row, first column, alphabet A is printed. Second row, alphabet B is printed 2 times. Third row, alphabet C is printed 3 times. And fourth row, alphabet D is printed 4 times. And fifth row, alphabet E is printed 5 times. and again run one more time. Click on the run module. So now here I will enter um, number of rows 12, number of rows 13. What you can observe on the Python console. So this is the output of the half pyramid using alphabets. Now we're the entering the number of rows are 13.